Hey everyone, this is Karen and welcome to another episode of You Travel Vlogs. Here today we are going to be reviewing Sprinkles Cupcakes. This will be our first visit. So the Sprinkles Cupcakes is actually located right across from Morimoto Asia, which is at Disney Springs, aka formerly known as Downtown Disney. And there's plenty of outdoor seating here at Sprinkles, as you can see here, which is great, especially on a nice, cooler Florida evening. This is the front. As you can see, there's a big line waiting to get in. It took us about 20 minutes just to get inside. So once inside, you can see that it's very bright and colorful. There's plenty of selection of cupcakes. Even though the shelves were a little bit empty this night, I think it was because they were busy. But even though it was busy, I think that they pretty much had every selection available. So here you see that there's a mini sampler for $8. The $8 sampler is just for the smaller cupcakes, not for the larger ones that you see here. And with the mini cupcakes, you cannot actually switch them out, so there's no substitutions allowed. Not sure why that is, since we wanted to try the colorful sprinkles rather than the white sprinkles. But who knows? We just rolled with it. So as you can see, there's a lot of variety for everybody's taste. And what's kind of cool is right after you order, you can actually see the cupcake decorator in action, which is a little mesmerizing at times, I have to say. And everybody had their faces, pretty much glued onto the window as they were watching. So here you see some more cupcakes. These are the smaller cupcakes. The small cupcakes are about $3.50 each. The big ones are $4.95 a piece. And that's why we chose the sampler, because we wanted to try various varieties of what they had. Our favorite definitely was the red velvet, and the chocolate was pretty good as well. However, the vanilla, I have to say I was not a fan. My other pet peeve with these cakes is that the cream was very good, not too sweet, which was very good. However, the cakes were very dry. I am not used to having cupcakes be this dry, and that would pretty much be my only complaint at this point about these cupcakes. Now, we will do another visit. We're actually going to work on a cupcake challenge to see which is the best cupcake at Disney Springs. So be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, just stay away from the vanilla one. That was not our favorite for sure. And the cupcakes, like I said, were a little bit dry, on the drier side. So hopefully next time we will try another variety and maybe a bigger cupcake, and hopefully they'll win us over. But so far our winner is the red velvet. So next up, we actually are going over to Morimoto of Asia. Morimoto Asia is an Asian restaurant, or Asian fusion restaurant, and they have both table service and quick service as well. So here we have just a little sneak peek into the inside. We actually did not eat here this night, but have heard very good reviews about this restaurant. So hopefully one day we will go in there and give you a review as well. And I love the chandeliers in this restaurant. They are reminiscent of jellyfish, which is very cool. So the street food is actually the quick service restaurant, and you can see what the prices look like here. One thing that I did notice though is that the egg roll does show 2 pieces. However, it is actually one egg roll cut in 2. So that was a little misleading. I was very surprised by that. But we saw that with one of the egg rolls that they had on display, and it was in fact one piece that was cut in 2, and the ribs also were 3 small pieces, probably about half the size of the average rib. So just be aware that the portion sizes here are very small. So we hope you enjoyed this very brief video about Sprinkles Cupcakes and Morimoto, a little bit of a tour there. We hope to have some videos out soon regarding other cupcake reviews and other quick service stops, so that you can be well informed about the offerings at Disney Springs and our likes and dislikes about some of those places. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everybody. We hope you have a fantabulous day.